Zeblaze GTR SmartWatch is an ideal pick that can suit a variety of needs. Whether you want to have an appealing smartwatch while monitor your heart rate continuously for 24 hours, measure your blood pressure, keep track of your steps, sleep quality, incoming call or any other notifications, Zeblaze GTR will help you throughout the day. Furthermore, weather display, message notifications, and multi-sport modes such as run, walk, hiking, cycling, elliptical and rowing machines. Also, Zeblaze GTR offers 3 waterproof rating, which means you can go for swimming up to 30 meters deep. Stylish looking Zeblaze GTR got a light, rounded metal body while the strap is removable. Regarding the display screen, the new wearable has 1.3-inch full touch curved screen with 240 by 240 pixels. Powered up with a 180 mAh battery, and it lasts for 18 days of common usage. Zeblaze charger is magnetic pins and it can be charged within 1.5 hours on any USB port. You can pair the smartwatch with an iPhone or any Android smartphone with a companion app called H-Band. The app is very informative and straightforward, showing you all the detailed statistics of your activity. There you can adjust the smartwatch accordingly to your needs. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good time.